Uncover the 9 essential roles of fruits and vegetables in your healthy diet. Ensure you incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and veggies into your meals, which is crucial for nurturing your overall well-being. These little powerhouses are bursting with vital nutrients, providing numerous health advantages. Remember, it's not about drastic changes or complicated recipes. It's about making small, manageable steps towards a healthier lifestyle, and fruits and vegetables are the perfect place to start. Here are 9 critical roles of fruits and vegetables in a healthy diet and a call to action to encourage incorporating more of these nutritious foods into your daily meals. 1. Nutrient powerhouses. Fruits and vegetables are valuable sources of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Antioxidants are like superheroes for your body, swooping in to prevent or slow down cell damage caused by free radicals. The body produces these unstable molecules in response to environmental and other pressures. They are crucial for sustaining optimal health and overall well-being. It's like nature's own little health boost. 2. Disease prevention. Numerous scientific studies have shown that including a wide variety of vegetables and fruits in your diet can significantly lower the risk of developing severe health issues like diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. It underscores the crucial role of fruits and vegetables in maintaining good health. 3. Weight management. These foods are great for managing weight because they're low in calories and packed with fiber, which helps you feel full and keeps your metabolism in top shape. 4. Digestive health. Ensuring ample incorporation of fruits and vegetables into your dietary intake is imperative for maintaining a robust and efficient digestive system, thus contributing to overall well-being and health. It helps you have regular and healthy trips to the bathroom and keeps your gut full of good bacteria that are important for your overall health. 5. Hydration and vitality. Stay energized and hydrated all day with the natural goodness of fruits and vegetables packed with high water content, such as cucumber and watermelon. 6. Immune support. Fuel your body with the goodness of fruits and vegetables to nourish it with essential vitamins and minerals. Keep your health in check and thrive. These nutrients strengthen your immune system and help your body fight off sickness. 7. Skin health and radiance. Did you know that the nutrients in fruits and vegetables play a key role in giving you that radiant, glowing skin? They work wonders for your complexion and overall skin health. 8. Environmental sustainability. Remember, opting for plant-based foods such as fruits and veggies doesn't just boost your health. It also does wonders for the environment. By reducing carbon emissions and resource consumption, you're significantly contributing to environmental sustainability. This knowledge can inspire you to make more conscious food choices and feel responsible for the planet. But the benefits continue beyond there. Choosing a plant-based meal helps the earth and nourishes your body, boosts your health, and embraces a healthier, more vibrant version of yourself with every step you take. 9. Variety and balance. Consuming a colorful array of fruits and vegetables ensures you receive a wide range of nutrients, promoting overall health and vitality. Why not embark on a culinary adventure and create a delicious fruit salad or a colorful vegetable stir-fry for your next meal? The world of fruits and vegetables is vast and diverse, offering many flavors and textures to explore, and looking to add more fruits and veggies to your meals? Check out these helpful tips. Integrating an eclectic selection of fresh fruits and vibrant vegetables into your daily meals will elevate your overall health and well-being. They have essential vitamins, minerals, and good stuff called antioxidants. Embracing this can boost your overall wellness and help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. Aim to fill half your plate with these nutritious options at every meal. Experiment with new recipes and produce varieties, and strive to reach the recommended goal of at least 5 servings daily. Making fruits and vegetables a central part of your diet can nourish your body, boost your health, and help you enjoy a vibrant and fulfilling life. If you found this article helpful or enjoyed our content, please comment, subscribe, and share for more valuable tips to help you thrive in your life and career. We eagerly await your stories about how you've successfully integrated more fruits and vegetables into your diet or any inquiries you may have. Your Warm's concept expresses our deepest gratitude for your incredible support as we conclude today's health and fitness journey. Remember, we aim to help you on your journey to a healthier you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to your comments and questions.